Hello students, good morning to all. Welcome again students. I hope you must completed your previous all chapters. So today I'm going to start from your new chapter. So please open your textbook, Sanskrit textbook, page number 7. You can see here this is the third chapter. The chapter name is Ko Ruka. In these words, the middle letter the word is silent. So we pronounce Ko Ruka. When we do the sandhi of these words, we get ka, aruka. Ka means who, aruka means healthy. So this word meaning is who is healthy. In this chapter, there is a bird and a yoga rishi. Yoga rishi, or you can say Maharishi. Both are talking. Talking about what? They are talking about our good habit, our good health. How can we make a good health? So let's start this chapter. You can see this is the first picture of this chapter. See here, there is a bird who is flying. Now see the first paragraph. एका पक्षी अस्ति सः आकाशे अत्र तत्र गच्छति सः पुनः पुनः वदति कोरुका का निरोगा भवति. So now I'm going to read the translation and I will explain you in English. See the first translation. There is a bird. It goes here and there in the sky. It speaks again and again who is healthy. There is a bird who is speaking again who is healthy and scores here and there everywhere is flying. So let's see the second paragraph. You can see here in your textbook there is a second picture. See the peoples are standing there and the birds also. So let's see what they are talking. Pakshi dwaram dwaram atati. Pakshi means bird, dwar means door to door. Atati means flying. Ekam eva prashnam puchati. Ekam means once. The Pakshi is asking only one question. Jana upahasham kruvanti. Ka api uttram na dadati. Pakshi nirasha bhavati. Nirasha means disappointed. So let's see the translation. Then I will explain you. See the second translation. The bird goes door to door. It asks only one question. People laugh. Nobody answer it. The birds become disappointed or sad. So the bird is flying door to door. He's going door to door. It asks only one question. Who is asking the question? The bird is asking the question. People laugh. When the bird is asking the question, people feel very funny and he is laughing. All the people are laughing. Nobody answer it. Nobody is giving the answer. The birds become disappointed. Now birds is sad and the birds is disappointed. Now see the third picture. There is a Rishi Muni and you can see there is a bird also on the tree. So let's go for the read the Sanskrit line. Sa vanam gachati vrikshe upasti cha vrikshasya अर्धवैदऋषिः वाग्भट अस्ति पक्षी पुनः वदति को रुका इति वाग्भट शृणोति means hearing. Vagbhat, who is a Vagbhat is a Vagbhat Rishi. He is a Ved Rishi. Now see the translation. Then I will explain you in English. See the third translation. It goes in the forest and sits on a tree. There is a Ved Rishi Vagbhat under the tree. The birds again speaks. Who is healthy? Who is healthy? Vagbhat hears it. Now the birds is go in the forest and sit on a tree. There is a Ved Rishi. Ved Rishi is sitting under the tree. Now again bird who is speaking, the bird is again speaking, again asking who is healthy, who is healthy. Vagbhat hear it. Now Vagbhat Rishi, the Rishi Muni is here. The bird is asking something. So let's see on the next paragraph what the Rishi bird is saying. You can see this is the fourth picture. this picture, the Rishi Muni, the Vaki Rishi bird, is saying something. So let's see what he's saying. Fourth paragraph. Sa vadati hit bhuka meet bhuka ऋतु भूखा इति अर्थ अस्ति यः हितकारी भोजनं करोति या मित भोजनं करोति. So let's see the translation. First, I'm going to read this translation and then I will explain you. It says balanced meal eater, limited meal eater, eater according to a season. That means the person who takes balanced meal, who takes meal in a proper quantity. Now Vakibhat Rishi is saying balanced meal eater. Limited meal eater, not more, not less. Limit. On a limit, we have to eat the meal. Eater according to the seasonal. Seasonal according to the seasonal. When the summer, winter, the season will change. According to that season, we have to eat some proper meal. That means the person who take balanced meal, who takes meal in a proper quantity. Balanced meal and the in a proper quantity. Now see the last paragraph. You can see the last picture. यह ऋतु अनुसारं भोजनं करोति स एव निरोग भवति इति सन्तुष्ट पक्षी ऋषि समीपम् आगच्छत् स ऋषि नमति अन्तरं स्वस्थानं गच्छति स्वस्थानं मतलब own place. Now see the translation. The fifth translation is who takes meal according to season remains healthy, satisfied birds come to the rishi. It's bow down to the rishi and the birds goes on place. Now birds get the satisfy with the Ravagi rishi birds according when he explained the things, then the birds is satisfied. Who takes meal according to the season. Rishi Muni, what he said, who takes meal according to the season remain healthy. Now the bird is satisfied. His bow down to the rishi and the birds goes on place. The birds fly and goes on place. Now this chapter is complete. Hope you all understand. So thank you.